Hello, everyone. Welcome back again to Power Cyber Defense. In this part two of our series on how to become a network and security engineer. In this video, we will cover the top real world interview question, how to build hands on portfolio, and how to land your first role in this exciting field. So, without being said, let's dive in. I will give you some of the most common question you are likely to face when you make your first interview. So always you have to be answers in a smart way. Don't just give a lot of information. That just be specific on that question. Let's take first question. For example, if they ask you what is the difference between a firewall and IDS IPS? So, as I mentioned, be specific. Don't just throw a lot of information. For example, the answer, let's say a firewall filters traffic based on rules. It's block or allow based on IP, port, and protocols. All right? I believe this answer short and clear and simple. That will deliver the answer to your interviewers in really clear way. An IDS, let's say, introduction deduction system, monitors for malicious activity and alert you. All right, when you find any suspicion activities on IDS, will give you warning. All right, and IPS is little different here. Intrusion prevention system goes one step further. It actively block that traffic. All right, so that's it. That's it. This is the simple answer you can give it to your interviewer in the interview. Next, how would you secure a remote access VPN? I would use a strong encryption like IACE256, enforce multi-factor authentication, and limit access with firewall rules. I would also log all connections and regularly reviews access rights. Right? Always, I repeat, you have to be simple and clear. If we take next question, what is the difference between TCP and, for example? So TCP is connection oriented and reliable, used for web traffic, email, etc. Right? UDP is faster but connectionless. So this is ideal for streaming or DNS where speed matters more than reliability. Let's say, all right. Next question we have: what tool do you use for network monitoring? You can answer, for example, I have used Wireshark for packet analysis, Negos for performance monitoring, and Splunk for security events logging. I also use, for example, TCP dump and Nmap for a quick CLI-based diagnostic. How do you respond to DDoS attack? I would first, you can answer like this. I would first identify the secure and type of the attack, engage upstream filtering, and reconfigure firewall rule to limit traffic. So for long terms, I would recommend the CDN DDoS protection like Cloudflare or Akama that will be efficient for this kind of attack, right? We will not take a lot of questions. There is a lot of questions there you can practice on. Now we move to how to build practical portfolios. All right, let's talk about that. Here, the portfolio can show you employers to prove your skills, even if you haven't worked in the field yet, or you still a junior or a beginner. Okay. First of all, set up a virtual environment. You can use, of course, VirtualBox or VMware, and create your own mini network that has like router, firewalls, a Linux server, Windows 11 virtual machine. You can add like same tools as I mentioned previously, Splunk, Free Edition, or Weza. Then simulate and log attacks using tools like Metasploit or TryHackMe boxes. There is a clear guide in TryHackMe boxes can help you really in a proper way. You can do also another showcase hardening a web server. So you can install, for example, Apache or Nginx on Linux, then secure it by disabling unused services, enabling HTTPS, configure a firewall as well, setting up file to ban for brute forcing protection, document each step. All right, you can share it in your GitHub, or you can share it in your LinkedIn, but in GitHub more effective. You can share the GitHub link or the showcase to the LinkedIn later. You can do also network map plus risk report. For example, you can use tool like Nmap, NetDiscover, or Wireshark to map a network. So write a short report showing deducting open ports, vulnerability, suggested improvement. Right? Now, how to get your first job? So here is how to move from learning to landing your first real job in network and security engineering. So optimize your LinkedIn and resume. Add headline like entry-level network and security engineer or a specialist, hands-on lab experience, TryHackMe, all the skills that you work on it, so you can highlight it on LinkedIn headline. Highlight your lab project as well, tools that you used, and the certificate that you made or you still in progress to take it. And this is fine with some employers that if they see the candidate smart and active, even if still ongoing process for the certificate, that's fine for them. And some employer support candidates in kind of situations. Add GitHub links or write blogs about your labs. You can use a Medium or a free portfolio site. All right. So now how you apply. So apply smart. Don't just apply to job title like network engineer. Also search for a junior security analyst, IT support with the security focus, for example, SOC analyst level 1, infrastructure technician. Don't just try to make your search and apply in 4 or 5 rules that should have the same requirement and skills that you study or you have. Right? So network and cyber security space, we can like engage on a platform like, as I mentioned, LinkedIn, Discord community, Twitter or X, Twitter previously, Reddit, right? So try to engage your journey with kind of communities, right? That will give you or answer some question that maybe you don't know. So there is some YouTube channels as well, like Network Sharks, John Hamdan, TCM. There is a lot of resource there you can rely on as well. Use Upwork or freelance to offer basic tasks like setting up firewall, configure secure servers, performing security scans. So you start, like when you start getting some light task like configuring some firewalls or servers, that will raise your confidence in this journey. All right, so I believe that's a warm up on part 2. You now have a real game plan, interview question, portfolio project, and job hunting strategy, right? So in part 3 we will look at career progression, senior roles, and how to become a specialist like a SOC analyst, cloud security engineer, or even a future CISO. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and then turn on a notification so you don't miss the next one.